What's the meaning of bezique? Bezique. Bezique.
Bezique. Bezique. Bezique is a two-player card game that was popular in Europe during the 19th century. The game uses a deck of 64 cards that are divided into two sections, the major section and the minor section. Players are dealt cards from both sections and must try to make combinations, or melds, with them. The game involves scoring points for various melds, and the winner is determined by the first player to reach a certain number of points. Bezique was once considered one of the most skill-based card games, but it has since fallen out of popularity and is now mainly played by enthusiasts and collectors.